a nice ride. I enjoy riding up there.
I said that won't reach the ground.
What I enjoy doing is riding on the cable. On that top cable there, you have to ride and check the wheels in the morning. And you stick your feet on the cable like this, kind of like a center. You sit on it, you just stand there. It's like a moving cycle. Not much on balance, nothing. I mean, we're hard to stand, don't get me wrong. But I mean, it's awesome. Smoother than in here. You can feel all the drink in here.
Great job. It has its ups and downs. So this is my dedicated friend now. Well, you mean how many times do I do it a day? Varies on business. Minimum, say slow day, 7 times. That'd be a good picture right there.
Hey Rick, rotate a little bit over there. Please. You got room there? Yeah.
Well, that up there is Mount LeConte. You know that already, then probably.
That's where your friends was at, Kyle and Liz went.
The caretakers?
No, they came up here on a trail. They went up there a couple weeks ago.
Okay.
All right, Rick. Thank you, buddy. Good.
Who was there? Kyle and Liz?
Yeah, they came up there.
Yeah, she posted it on Facebook.
Look how low we are now.
Yes.
Look how low we are.
Yeah, we're getting closer, aren't we?
Why? Because it's not enclosed.
I hear that a lot.
We get people that ride this all the time. Oh no! I ran out of gas. Everybody lean forward. Gravity will take us down. I have been pulling here. You don't have to.
Anytime the conductor says, "Oh no," you make sure you feel real comfortable. Yeah.
Did you hear the very sound?
Yeah.
Oh, right out. So we'll be hanging out for a while.
It'll probably explode.
We'll be like that poor bus in Niagara that ran into snow.
Yeah. Did you see that on YouTube?
I seen it on the news 100 times. I don't know. I didn't see it.
Like, hey, there was a truck that slid off the road in Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
The Amish went out with their horses
Yeah.
and pulled them out of the road.
Oh, really?
It's on YouTube. I'll show you.
All right, folks, we are going to bump a little bit when we come into dock. If you need to get back up top, the last tram going up this evening is 9:20. My last piece of information for you, the same company that brought you these tram cars also brought you great products like the Titanic and the Hindenburg. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Well, that makes you uncomfortable. They also made Carnival cruise ships.
$2.47.